Alright, well, a lot of people have seen this gun on the internet and on some movies. I'm not sure exactly which movies, but I know there's a lot of videos here on YouTube of guys shooting this gun, and they never really show you what it's all about inside, and if there are any differences from their standard Glock 19s. But this is a Salient Arms International Glock 19 Tier 1 package. It's a really nice gun. But I'll give you an idea of what it looks like inside. So here's the recoil spring, guide rod, this is a little bushing they have in there, and then this comes off. It's a gold tin barrel, or the tin barrel that's gold. Just standard, but it's been textured. And this looks like a factory firing pin. It looks like it. I'm not sure whether it is or not. I don't know if anything's been touched. This looks stock. So it looks stock parts. So here's the slide. Beautiful work. It's a little bit of chatter from the mill that they were using, but I don't know if it's going to come up on this iPad. But that's the slide, the top end of the gun. Here's the bottom. Here's the lower receiver, I guess you can call it. Very nice stipple job. A really clean stipple job. Really clean. Very nice. Here's the inside. Locking block is stock. The trigger and trigger bar is highly modified. Highly modified. I should do this pin first. The armor's course teach you that that's the first pin, but I don't know. It's been a while since my class. So one of these pins come out. And the locking block. Highly polished trigger bar. Highly polished. I don't know if the spring is stock, but whatever. It's a spring. This might be polished. I really like these pins. They're really nice. So that's the inside of a Salient Arms International Tier 1 Glock 19. It's a really nice gun, man. It's shoots really nice. It runs through pretty much any ammunition I give it. There are some problems with some of the cheaper ammo. I haven't had any like major stovepipes or anything like that, but it seems to run better with just higher quality ammo. Some of the stuff that I buy at the gun shows in bulk works really well for just plinking and shooting targets, but I like to keep in the mag something of higher quality. But it's a beautiful gun. The machining's beautiful, the stippling's beautiful, the grip feels really nice, the finger grooves have been taken down, the undercut here in the trigger guard is just very comfortable and very smooth and doesn't cut your finger. I know that some people have that problem. And this undercut here under the trigger guard is really nice because it's stippled really nice. The front is also stippled. So the gun just looks mean, just looks like a mean gun. But there you go. That's the inside of a Salient Glock 19 Tier 1. See you later.